In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected to your CRM so you can message customers right from their records and keep every conversation neatly organized. For the smoothest setup, make sure you have admin access to your Zoho CRM account and that your WhatsApp business number is managed under your Facebook Business Manager. Start by logging into Zoho CRM. From the top right, open Setup, then head to the Channels section and choose Business Messaging. This is where Zoho centralizes messaging providers so you can manage everything in one place. Under WhatsApp, click Details. Then select Integrate. You'll be prompted to authenticate using your Facebook Business Manager account. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. These permissions allow Zoho CRM to send and receive WhatsApp messages on your behalf and to link your approved WhatsApp phone number. If you are working in a shared environment, it's a good idea to confirm you are signing in with the correct business account to avoid linking the wrong number. Once authentication is complete, you'll be brought back into Zoho CRM to finish the setup. Give the integration a clear nickname. Think of this like a label that helps your team recognize which WhatsApp number or business unit it represents. Especially useful if you plan to add more numbers later. Next, select the associated phone number you want to connect. This should be the same number you manage in Facebook Business Manager. Then set your preferences for how conversations should be linked inside the CRM. You can choose to associate WhatsApp communications with leads or with contacts. Pick the option that matches how your team typically tracks new inquiries and existing customers. Decide who can use this integration by assigning access to specific users or roles. Restricting access ensures that only the right team members can send messages and view chat histories when everything looks good. Save the configuration. That completes the connection. After the integration is active, you can send WhatsApp messages directly from CRM records, whether you are in a lead, a contact, or a deal using the Send WhatsApp action. Incoming messages will trigger notifications in the CRM Signals panel, helping you respond quickly without leaving your workflow. And every exchange is stored automatically. You can view the complete WhatsApp chat history, including messages, media, and voice notes, right inside the Leads or Contacts modules, giving your team full context for each conversation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.